Hello, this is Patrick with OneCNC West, and what we're going to do now is demonstrate the workflow provided by OneCNCXR5. Now first off, notice that my quick access bar is populated with the tools that I use the most. These can be geometric tools as well as manufacturing tools. If you want to, you can optionally use the toolbar over here on the left and select any command that you want. Now let's get started by creating an arc. This arc is going to have a radius of 3 inches, and we're going to place this at x12, y-9. Once you have the values in there, just hit the enter key to build the arc. Now on the fly here, I'm going to change the radius to 1 inch, and I'm going to use our brand new snap tool to snap this arc at x7, y-1, and another one quickly over here at x4, y-1. When we're finished, we just right-hand mouse click. Let's grab our new line tool. We're going to start here at x0, y-5, and down here to y-8. We're going to continue to the circle. We'll wait till we're tangent and left-hand mouse click. When we're finished, we can right-hand mouse click. Let's do the same thing over here. We're going to start at the end of this line by left-clicking, up to the arc, wait till we're tangent, left-click, and then right-click to finish. Let's use our tangent to tangent tool just to quickly create a couple of lines that are tangent between groups of arcs. That looks very good. Now this shape's going to need a couple of fillets over here on the left, so let's use our fillet tool. I'm going to grab both of those lines by left-clicking. The radius is going to be 1 inch, and that looks very good. Now to trim this, I have that on my quick access bar. I've got trim 2, so I'm going to use our trim 2 command, and using that I'm going to come over here and start trimming. When you use trim 2, you're always digitizing 2 entities, and you just move along until you're finished. That looks good. Now let's create some holes for drilling. I'm going to come up here and grab our circle tool. Again on the fly, let's change the radius to 1/2 inch, and using the new feedback provided by XR5, I can quickly come in here and create some circles right at the arc center. Let's create the pocket now. Now this pocket's going to start at x4, y-3.5, and it's going to terminate at x9.5, y-8. This also requires a couple of fillets, so let's grab those 2 lines, and the fillet is going to be 0.375. Now, once you grab the 2 lines, you can always hit the enter key twice to complete the fillet. That looks great. Now at this point we can start to apply our manufacturing. But instead I'd like to demonstrate some new features provided by XR5. Let's take a look now at the Extrude tool. I'm going to head up, grab Extrude. Once I grab my boundary, notice now that within XR5 we can extrude dynamically. You can also snap to the same units that are provided when snapping in X and Y. If you look over here for height, I can easily now snap to Z-1, left click, and there's the solid model. Let's do the same thing now using Extrude Cut. I'm going to grab that pocket, I'm going to drag this down, I'm going to wait till I'm at Z-0.5 and left click. For the circles, they need to go all the way through, so I'm going to left click the circle, drag down, and left click. You can easily go in there now and cut holes all the way through the model. That's great. Now let's take a look at some manufacturing.